In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We're going to keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from your main dashboard to the expenses area, start a brand new expense, and attach a receipt from your computer or device. If you've got your receipt file handy, like a photo or a PDF, you're already halfway there. Start by navigating to the expenses section on the left side of your screen. This is usually in the main sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, look for an icon that expands it so you can see the labels. Click Expenses to open the Expenses workspace. You should now see your list of past expenses and options related to expense management. Next, look to the upper right corner of the page for the button that says New Expense. Different layouts might say Add Expense or simply New, but it will be in that upper right area. Click it to open the expense creation view. Don't worry about filling out every field right now. Our focus is on attaching the receipt first, so everything else can follow more smoothly. Inside the new expense view, find the Upload Receipts option. This button typically sits near the top of the form or near an attachments area. Click Upload Receipts, and your device's file picker will pop up. From here, navigate to the location where your receipt is saved. You can choose a PDF, a clear photo like JPG or PNG, and in many systems, HEIC from newer phones is supported as well. When possible, use a well-lit, high-contrast image so any text extraction features can read the merchant, date, and total accurately. Select the file and confirm to begin the upload. You'll usually see a progress indicator or a preview once the file is attached. Give it a moment to finish. Larger PDFs and high-resolution photos can take a bit longer. If a preview appears, scan it to make sure the receipt is legible from edge to edge. Many platforms automatically pull key details from the receipt to save you time. If that happens, just review that information for accuracy. If the upload doesn't start, check your internet connection, ensure the file isn't too large, and confirm it's not a password-protected document. If the Upload Receipts button appears disabled, refresh the page and verify you're in the correct workspace and have permission to add expenses. That's it. You've opened expenses from the left sidebar, created a new expense from the upper right, and uploaded your receipt by choosing the file. From here, you can continue with any fields your organization requires, confident your receipt is